my name is Ponto and welcome to my channel. Lebitso la ka ke Ponto. In today's video, I will be talking about the 5 must-know Sesotho words for asking questions. If this is your first time watching my video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. I don't want to waste any time, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Ke kae mo? Where is that? Ke kae mo? Where is that? Mang. Who? Mang. Who? Ke mang motho eo? Who is that person? Ke mang motho eo? Who is that person? Neng. When? Neng. When? Bese e tla fihla neng? When will the bus arrive? Bese e tla fihla neng? When will the bus arrive? Jwang. How? Jwang. How? Ke fihla jwang mo? How do I get there? Ke fihla jwang mo? How do I get there? Efe. Which one? Efe. Which one? Nke efe. Which bus is leaving? Bese e tsamayang ke efe. Which bus is leaving? And until next time, salang handle.